Hi, I'm Rosalie and I'm an artist and I'm going to show you how to draw girls for beginners. So that is like a simplified drawing of a girl. I'm going to start with her head. I'm just drawing a little circle or an oval. A girl is a female human, young female human. So I'm just drawing in her neck and a collar. And here are her shoulders. She's got a little dress on. So there's her body, there's her waist, and I'm going to draw her arms like this. Oops, real simple, just curving in. And you can make her hands just a thumb and 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. As long as you get a thumb and 4 fingers in there, you're okay on the hand. 1 thumb, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's say she's sort of smoothing out her skirt here, which is just flaring out like that. And her legs are like this. And there are her feet. I'm just drawing in some feet. Real simple. And I'm giving her some Mary Jane shoes. And some socks. Just a sock line there. Little Peter Pan collar. Some buttons down the front. And for her face, I'm just drawing her eyes in about the middle of her head. Some eyebrows. She's smiling. She has ears. And giving her like a little sort of page boy hairstyle with bangs. And she's got a bow because she is a girl and sometimes they wear a bow. So that's how I draw girls for beginners.